Imagine turning a simple skill into a thriving business that puts cash in your pocket daily. Whether you're tired of paying for expensive repairs or looking to start a profitable venture, today's video is your ultimate guide to mastering mobile repair and boosting your sales. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into practical ways to build wealth and take control of your financial future. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of mobile repair, one of the hottest and most profitable skills you can learn in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start repairing phones and generating income like a pro. 1. Get the right training, online courses and tutorials. Invest time in online courses and tutorials to build foundational skills. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, or specialized platforms like iFixit offer valuable training. Certifications. Consider earning certifications from recognized organizations to add credibility to your skills. 2. Invest in quality tools, essential tools. Purchase a high-quality toolkit that includes screwdrivers, budgers, tweezers, and suction cups. Up-to-date equipment. Keep your tools and equipment updated to handle the latest mobile devices and repair techniques. 3. Understand common issues, screen replacements. Learn the step-by-step process for replacing cracked screens, which is one of the most common repairs. Battery issues. Master battery replacement and diagnosis to handle issues like poor battery life or charging problems. Charging ports. Be familiar with fixing or replacing damaged charging ports. 4. Source quality parts, reliable suppliers. Build relationships with reputable parts suppliers to ensure you receive high quality and reliable components. Avoid counterfeits. Be cautious of counterfeit parts, which can lead to poor repairs and customer dissatisfaction. 5. Offer excellent customer service, clear communication. Clearly explain repair processes, costs, and timelines to your customers. Warranties. Provide warranties on repairs to build trust and demonstrate confidence in your work. Follow up with customers after repairs to ensure they're satisfied and address any issues promptly. 6. Price your services wisely. Competitive pricing. Research local competitors to set competitive prices that reflect the quality of your work. Transparency. Offer clear and transparent pricing without hidden fees to build customer trust. 7. Market your services, online presence. Create a professional website and use social media platforms to promote your services and engage with potential customers. Local advertising. Use flyers, business cards, and local listings to attract customers in your area. Customer reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and testimonials to boost your reputation. 8. Stay updated with technology, continuous learning. Keep up with the latest mobile technology trends and repair techniques to stay relevant in the industry. Regular training. Attend workshops and webinars to continually enhance your skills and knowledge. 9. Manage your inventory. Stock control. Maintain an organized inventory of parts and tools to avoid delays and ensure you can quickly address common repair issues. Forecasting. Monitor repair trends to forecast and manage stock levels efficiently. 10. Expand your services. Diversify. Consider offering additional services like data recovery, software updates, or accessory sales to increase revenue. Upsell opportunities. Provide options for customers to upgrade their devices or add protective accessories during repairs. 11. Build a brand. Consistent branding. Develop a strong brand identity with a professional logo, color scheme, and consistent messaging. Customer experience. Ensure every customer interaction reflects your brand's values and commitment to quality service. 12. Prepare for business growth. Scalability. Plan for business expansion by developing systems for hiring, training additional technicians, and managing multiple locations. Financial management. Keep accurate financial records and plan for future investments and growth opportunities. Mastering mobile repair is more than just a skill, it's a gateway to financial independence. Whether you're looking to save money or start a new business, the steps we've covered today will set you on the right path. With dedication and the right knowledge, you'll be fixing phones and boosting your sales in no time. Thanks for sticking with us to the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tutorials. Share this video with anyone who's looking to break into the mobile repair business or just wants to save some money on phone repairs. See you in the next video.